Dr.Subhash Musale, practicing diabetologist and cardiologist since last 22 years. Today, we discuss about diabetes, particularly diabetic diet. Diabetic is in largely have two types, that is type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes usually occurs in children. Its acute onset and its treatment is insulin. Before 100 years, when there was before the discovery of the insulin, type 1 diabetes children died, but now they cannot. Patient with type 1 diabetes can live normal life as non-diabetic. Type 2 diabetes, in large, when we say diabetic patient, it means type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is, in overall world, it's 95% of the diabetic patients are the type 2 diabetic. Why there is a huge number of diabetic patients? In India, there are 75 million people of diabetics today. Genetic factor is there, but genetic contribution is minimum. Large contribution is the lifestyle related things. Lifestyle, diet, make diabetic prone. Diet, not taking healthy diet, eating a crash diet, foreign diet, street food, which make pizza, burgers, it's makes diabetes prone. Sedentary lifestyle, not doing exercise, living a sedentary lifestyle, obesity will be the cause of the diabetes. Diabetes is basically lifestyle disease. Patient always asks me, doctor, which diet, Indian diet, is the best for diabetes? Now let me tell all of us, whether you stay in south, north, east or west, in India, food, Indian food, all type of food, whether you eat idli dosa, rice, puri, chapati, it's all is a high carbohydrate diet. Indian diet pan-India contains almost 75% of the dietary carbohydrates. Carbohydrate-rich diet in India make India prone for diabetes. So what is the ideal diet? Now there is a plate, which is I think it is an ideal plate for diabetes, and everyone it is recommended also. So plate, it is a usual plate of our diet, in which it is divided into between three parts. It is divided. 50% part is of leafy vegetables and fruits. Remaining half is divided into two. One portion is having for the proteins. Which proteins we should take? If we see, the plant-based proteins are best. They are free from cholesterol. In India, we have so many dals, grams, green grams, black grams, soya proteins, mushrooms. These all are the protein-rich diet. For non-vegetarian, yes, non-vegetarian can eat. Non-vegetarian, which are the protein-rich? Egg, fish, chicken. We should be avoided as a red meat. Egg white is the best. Egg white you can eat. It does not contain the cholesterol, so it gives the proteins. We can eat the 3 to 4 egg white per day. People ask, why not egg yolk? Egg yellow. Egg yellow, it also contains proteins, but it also contains the cholesterol. one egg contains almost 300 milligram of cholesterol. 300 milligrams, it's the 1 day requirement. If you eat 2 eggs with whole egg, then you are eating a 600 milligram of cholesterol, and that is after 2 days your requirement. So, as long as possible, please avoid egg yellow. Now, remaining one fourth of the thali is of your carbohydrates. Now, which vegetables? All vegetables, green vegetables are good. You can eat as much as you can. Fruits. For the fruits, we can eat low glycemic index fruits like apple, orange, watermelon. We can eat that. Papaya. Like people ask whether banana or mango should eat can eat diabetes or not. Yes, they also, but their glycemic index is little higher than this other like apple. So eat in minimum quantity, not in much quantity. Now, oil. People always think which oil is best, whether this oil or that oil. There are so many ads in TVs, newspaper. This is the best for heart. This is best for diabetes. But let me tell you, all oil are same. All oils are same. So I recommend eat whatever oil you like, whatever oil you use at your home, but it is in minimum quantity. Do not use oil much. Preferably, zero oil is the best cooking, but if you cannot, for the taste and everything, use minimum oil. Now, second, people ask about exercise. Yes, you have to do exercise. Sedentary life cannot control the diabetes. Healthy diet with exercise can control your diabetes. If you are the obese, reduce your weight. Weight reduction, diet control, exercise can reverse your diabetes. So, hope you like this video. Thank you.